Giselle, please tell a story from the pictures. Please start.
There was Jim. Jim was in the living room. Jim was carrying a cloth. Jim was looking at the plane. Jim was happy. A plane was flying. Jim was smiling. Jim was running. Jim was walking. Jim was sad. Jim was standing in front of a house. Jim was afraid.
Thank you, Giselle. Sekarang Aina, please start. Seorang guru bekerja di sebuah sekolah.
A teacher works at a school.
Seorang dokter bekerja di sebuah rumah sakit. Seorang penjaga kebun binatang bekerja di sebuah kebun binatang.
A zookeeper works at a zoo.
Very good, Aina. Let's evolve. Please tell a story from the pictures. Please start. Very good job, Selama.
Days rushing by you and me makes it harder to see underneath. Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Did we ever know? Is it all inside of my head? Maybe you still think I don't care, but all I need is you. Yeah, you know it's true. Yeah, you know it's true. Forget about where we are and let go. We're so close. If you don't know where to start, just hold on and don't run. No, we're looking back, we messed around, but that was then, and this is now. All we need's enough love to hold us where we are. But that was then, and this is now. All we need's enough love to hold us where we are. With closed eyes and open mind, we can be there, we can be there. But this time, let's cross the line. Can you see it? Can you see it? Forget about where